There's now the present time. It is June 1999. I just wanted to tell you that my sister Peggy has got cancer, probably lung cancer, and she's in the hospital now, as far as I know, the last time I've seen her. Ronan and I took a trip to the hospital in South Nassau, and I guess she my sister, and she wasn't really too great, but she was on the medication. Okay, her children were trying to get her home. That's their goal. She doesn't know how serious it is. So, nobody's telling her that. But anyway, Ronan did a good job. He got her stuff together, and all our stuff that we needed to take on the trip. And we dressed up, and we made the long trip. And we finally got there, to Oceanside. And we had maybe 5 minutes to visit with her. After a long, hard search, trying to find the room, there was nobody at the desk. And we took to a doctor in the hall, and he directed us down a certain hall. We followed the blue line, and we waited for somebody else, and somebody else, and somebody else. I can't remember the exact room number, but it was FE something. And it doesn't really matter, I guess, but then after that we went to the diner across from the Sizzler, and we had something to eat. Landon and I and Kathy and Patty. Kathy was well pregnant, and she's due pretty soon. But I just want to tell you that my sister Peggy has cancer, and probably lung cancer. That's what they said. They said something about the brain, and then her children mentioned something about her spine or her lungs. So we'll just take it from here and see what happens. It's been several days now since I communicated with them, since they're many miles away. I'm sure if anything got real worse, but Kathy would call me again. So I believe today is, oh gosh, it's around the 26th. I think today is the 26th. If I'm not positive. I'm not sure. I don't know. Anyway, it's in June 1999. It's not too bad a day today. The sun's out, and I got my little box fan going, and I'm sitting on my bed, and Mama went for a bike ride, and I'm trying to catch up with all the housework. We're getting in preparation of Kenny coming back from Egypt. I don't know if he's going to bring a girl with him or what. No, only joking. But anyway, I just wanted to tell you about my sister Peggy. She has cancer. And my sister Sally, she broke her back in 2 spots. She was trying to move a curtain in her bedroom, and she fell backwards. So she's still hanging in there. As far as I know, I haven't heard from her since for a while now. Landon and I took a trip to see her also several weeks ago. We took a trip. and we get to see her, and Wally and Joni and Charles. And she has to lay down a lot, and she's on medication, and she has an implant in her, what she told me, and she has to put patches on her and take certain medicines from time to time. She had a reaction to something, something she ate or something, and she had to go to the hospital. Just around the same time that Peggy went into the hospital. She was home, and she had to go into the hospital. So, I guess that's about it for now. But I just wanted to make a record of it. That Sally is 70 and Peggy is 71. They're not doing so good. Peggy had all her teeth extracted, and her gums hurt, on top of all the problems that she has. So, my sister Peggy isn't doing so good. So, I'm 60 years old right now. Maybe in 10 years I'll play this, and I'll think of how young I was. I hope I will. And that's about it. Like Peggy said, after Mama passed away, that she had 10 more years to go, possibly 16 more years, because she was 60 and I was 50, around those ages. And she said, I have about 10 more years to go, because Mom passed away at 76. And anyway, so time has marched on, and I'm where she was at her age. And oh boy. And well, anyway, you get the picture. LeeAnnes at work right now, and Donald's outside playing the music. It's a beautiful June day. I hope I'll see you soon, Kenny. And I hope you get in your car on the road and everything works out good. I'm looking forward to you coming and taking me on vacation. Okay. I guess that's it. This is Nancy Lee Moore. I'm 60 years old. July 25th of this year, I'm going to be 61. I got Tina. Tina's still alive. She's got lots of fleas. A little upsetting today over the trucks in the front yard. War bombs has taken over. And they're making a lot of racket outside. So what else is new, right? Alright, I better sign off. I just thought I'd fill in this tape. Maybe we're going on a nice vacation, Kenny and I, and whoever else wants to come. I don't know, LeeAnnes wants to do fix-up work on the house. He's got all this energy. We'll see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna sign off for now. This is Nancy Lee Moore. I am 60 years old. I don't have very many ailments, I don't think. I have my knee sort of hurts from time to time because I got it twisted in a foam wire several months ago, and I went down. My knee hit the floor in the kitchen. There was a rug on it, so it wasn't too bad. And I have a silicone shot in my right hip, and that's a long time ago. That's when Sonny was alive. I couldn't even sit down all the way. So the doctor said, just sit. Don't sit with your right hip sticking out too far. Try not to sit like that. So I try not to do that. Let me see. As far as my health is concerned, let's see. Got to cut down on some pounds. I get headaches from time to time. and somebody agitates me. And besides that, I'm doing pretty good, I guess. I try to stay away from trouble. And maybe I'll be okay. So, I want to do a lot of laughing and a lot of smiling before I do go. My left elbow hurts. My right one don't. I think it's from the way I sleep. I stick my elbow up in the bureau when I'm sleeping. So, LeeAnnes took Joanne to the hospital today because her baby is due. So, I'm going to work for Taylor on Tuesday. I got more work now. Kitty Taylor passed away on the 14th, June 14th. My mother's birthday was June 13th. So, a lot of things have been happening. I think that week I found out that my sister had cancer. So, well, the music is booming outside, and Tina's out there on the rope.
Yeah.
And I'm going to try and get some more washout today while the weather's good. I think 2 more days and the music will start coming down again. That's about it. Okay, I guess I'll sign off for now. Gotta get myself dressed. It's getting kind of late. Every once in a while I chill out a little bit because I do a lot of hard work toward the afternoon. You never know if a Jehovah's Witness is going to come knocking at the door, or some bill collector, or I don't know, whoever's going to knock. Sometimes it's better to do things late in the day. I got my money, my check. I haven't cashed it yet. That's another story. Well, we'll see where that goes, and how much I spend, and what I do with it, and all that other stuff. Okay, time will tell. I hope the man upstairs is watching over me and guides me. And all the steps that I take every day. Because I don't know what the next thing is going to happen in my life.